trying to do it.
Oh, yeah. Some hotels, they have, it only works for the specific floor you're on.
Yeah, I know.
Which is dumb, because it's
that's
like...
even dumber.
Yeah, someone was talking to someone, they said they couldn't find ice on their floor, but they couldn't get to another floor with ice. Because it was it was all locked. Y'all have a good one. Just another show of public opinion on card readers and elevators. They're not really liked by anybody. Oh, I think that's, yeah, they put a number of shovels, so it's 6 shovels because it's the 6th floor. When it opened up on the 3rd floor, there was 3 of them. Also, watch this, it has the newer chime. What does that say? Big Cobb energy. Like a Cobb salad? I don't get that. Someone must have just ridden this elevator who was wearing some perfume or something. I can smell it. Smells nice. Better than someone who just shit themselves in the elevator, right? Oh, I think these are Gen 3. Wait. No, these are Gen 2. I'm pretty sure these are Gen 2. Otis. And 2,500 pounds. This is at the Moxy Hotel. Quite a neat place, actually. And also, before I end the video, there's something I'd like to show. Look at this. They have this here sign. I want to get it to change when I have the film, but it's not changing. Okay, well, anyway, give it a couple seconds. No, maybe it's just not going to change. All right, anyway, that's it.